All right, this door installation went really well. This is an Anderson door, and there was one more thing I wanted to tell you about. Actually, a couple. Let me get this door open. And it has to do with adjusting the wheels. See this little slot right there? There's also one down here. That's to adjust the wheels. Like if you're opening, when you close the door, what you want to do is look at your gap. Look at your gap here, and they did a really good job here, see? See how nice that gap is? But let's say the tip was closer, and you would know that you'd have to raise the wheel up. You'd have to raise the left-hand wheel up. So you would take a screwdriver and you would tighten that, and that would lift the wheel up a little bit, and it would raise this edge up, and it would tilt it so it would go out, and vice versa. Okay? Also, if you feel that the wheel is rubbing, let's say the wheel's rubbing on your track or something, you could try to find these screws, tighten up them, and lift this wheel up, and go over there and lift that wheel up. Or maybe you only have to lift up one side or the other. Now, other doors, are all doors created equal? Of course not. You know that. Okay, sometimes you'll see a screw right in there, and you can adjust the whole wheel at that point, and you could come over here and you could adjust it right here. Now sometimes the adjustments, maybe they're up all the way and you're still having problems, or you screw it in or out. Usually you screw it in like you're tightening a screw, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and that'll raise the wheel up. Now sometimes if that doesn't work, maybe your wheel is broken and you've got to pull your whole door out and tilt it on its edge and see the wheel mechanism. Maybe you'll have to take it out, go to a window company, and see if you can't special order one. Sometimes you can get those at box stores, other times you can't. Okay, let's talk about something else. Let's talk about your screen. Did you know you can adjust these wheels too? Yes, usually there's wheels on the bottom, and see, here's the track right here. And see on this one here, there's a little plastic, wow, that's a plastic screw. You gotta be careful with that. Tighten that up, raises the wheel. Loosen it up, and it lowers the wheel. You wanna make sure it's not rubbing on your track. You come over on this side, and there it is again, see? And on other ones, you might see the screw down lower. Generally, you can find somewhere where you can adjust that too. Yeah. So next time you have a rubbing screen door, you'll know what to do, and you might be able to get new wheels for your screen door as well. That's how that one locks. That's kind of slick. And on your sliding glass door too, okay? Check it out. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.